As the major vaccines make their way to millions of Americans and people worldwide, Global WholeHealth Partners stands committed to sourcing and supplying in-demand personal protective equipment. We have become the trusted source for masks, gloves, thermometers, COVID-19 diagnostic testing kits, and other personal protective equipment thanks to our ability to source these in-demand products in wholesale quantities. It is through our partnerships with key players in the industry that we have been able to provide these products throughout the COVID-19 pandemic. Even as cases begin to fall and vaccines continue to be distributed, the use of PPE supplies remains high and in some cases is required. Visit our medical supply page to view our current inventory and get in touch with us today to place your wholesale order of personal protective equipment by calling us at 877-568-4947.